Good morning. Okay, so I just woke up and school starts for me tomorrow, but then the kids don't come till next week. So I have a lot I wanted to get done today for school. So I'm going to make a little vlog about everything I'm doing and I'm going to take you guys with me. So I just woke up. It is 8 o'clock. Okay, now I'm all ready for the day. I'm going to go to my school and I need to pick up my school computer, and then I also want to go into the room, my classroom, and just do a look around and just kind of acquaint myself with the space. So I have a little bit of a different situation. I don't have my own classroom necessarily, so I'm in between two different rooms and kind of sharing with other teachers. I mean, I won't be in the same room while another teacher's teaching and vice versa, but it's also like a shared space. So I don't have like the traditional classroom setup, I guess, but it is still my room technically for the periods I'm teaching. So I do want to do a look around and just see if there's anything I want like right away that I think would be really helpful for my classroom. So I'm going to do that, but I also need to run at some point to either Target or Walmart to get a couple things. So I'm going to, on my little to-do list, write down just a list of things that I need to get. So it's about 9:20 now. I'm just gonna finish up my coffee and then we'll probably head out. Need to pack my bag, so I need my to-do list in there, pen, I need my keys for the classroom, and then my normal keys, and then just my Celsius, of course. Okay, so basically I just organized all of my supplies and now I'm gonna go run and get stuff to organize this on the desk. I'm probably not gonna come back today because I don't want to, but I think this is good for now. I got my cart ready and there's a quote wall that I kind of want to add quotes to, and that is my plan. All right, so I just left school and I was looking at my classrooms just to kind of get a feel of the layout and then think about anything I might want. And then I actually got to talk to a couple different teachers, which was really fun to meet people, and it kind of helped me process everything that's about to happen, especially because I got to talk to the head of the math department for a good bit and just kind of get some of my questions out of the way already, meet him, that was really good. I got a couple supplies from him as well. I got a cart because I'm in between rooms, and as you saw, I got to show you guys my classrooms, and they're amazing. I love them. It is a little bit weird for me just being in between because I don't know like what to do with myself. Like, I'm like using other people's classrooms, but I need certain stuff, and I just don't know. Do I put everything on the cart? Do I put most of the stuff in the room I'm mainly gonna be in? Like, it's just a weird setup, but I'm not too pressed about it. Like, I know it's not a big deal at the end of the day, and I will definitely be able to make it work. So speaking of that, I also got my work laptop. I am going to go to Dollar Tree because it's less than a mile away, which is perfect, and I'm gonna see if I can get some stuff for the classroom there first before I try like Target or Walmart, just to obviously save money. Yes, so I will catch up with you after I run that errand. Okay, so this view is interesting. I am heading back home now. Sir, no. I stopped at the Dollar Tree. I got a couple things just to organize some stuff in the classroom. Nothing crazy. There's still a lot of stuff I want, but I'm just like, my brain is so overwhelmed that I'm trying to just like not go crazy right now and just realize I still have time. It's okay. Like, I'll make it work. I will show you guys everything I got from the Dollar Tree when I am home. I'm like 20 minutes from home. I live a little bit farther from my school, which is another thing that's a little stressful because if I live closer, I would just kind of like pop in and stuff, but it feels like a whole excursion to go to my school, but it's also not a big deal. Today's been really good. I'm feeling better. I feel like I know a little bit more about what's going on in the school and my setup and everything. So honestly, today I need to go back. There's some stuff I actually like have to get done. Nothing crazy, but just like a little bit of work for school I want to do before tomorrow. I still don't have groceries for the week, so probably need to do that. And then if time permits, I might go to Walmart to get some stuff for the classroom, but that is only if I have the energy and time to do kind of situation. So I will talk to you guys when I'm home. I'm definitely getting hungry, so I just kind of need a breather. I need to eat, drink more water. I didn't bring water. I'm about my Celsius, so I just kind of need to collect myself. I feel very scatterbrained, if you can't tell, just like this is really happening. I'm going into school tomorrow. Like, this is it for the next 9 months. Like, it's all hitting me in a good way, but in a really scary way too. So anyway, I will catch up with you guys when I'm home. All right, it is a bit later. So I went home, I got a little lunch, and then I started editing some of the clips from this morning. And then my boyfriend was home from work, so I was just talking to him for a little, and we meal planned. So the way we do it is we each pick like 2 meals for the week that we're gonna make, and then we just compile our grocery list, and then sometimes we go together or one of us will go, because he knows my brain is, you know, he's gonna go grocery shopping, which is really nice. So I just ran to Walmart. I got a couple things for the classroom, and then I stopped at Popeyes because I don't know about you guys, but I simply need to eat something out when on the same day grocery shop. Like, why would I eat the groceries I just bought? So anyway, I'm going home. I'm like 10 minutes from home. I'm going to take another breather because I am just so chaotic right now. I am having a million thoughts. So I'm going to, after I get home and eat Popeyes, I'm going to show you guys everything that I got today for the classroom, and then that should be that. All right, I am back from my errands, and I want to show you everything that I got today. So from Walmart, I got this rug, which is really cute. It looks like this. That's the pattern of it. This was $20, and it's roughly I think a 3x5. Yeah, just a little area rug for the classroom. I don't know exactly where to put it. That is to be determined. Next, I got this desk organizing set. It's obviously not the cutest, but this whole box, which comes with these 4 things, was like less than $5, so I figured that's perfect. The next thing and last thing that I got from Walmart was actually not really for the classroom, but it's the 2-in-1 vlogging desk lamp. It's not exactly what I was hoping. I wanted the one that clips onto my phone, but for now this will do. This was like $10, so I just got that. Okay, now on to Dollar Tree. So the first thing I got was this planner calendar that looks like this. I have so many planners, calendars, whatever, but my intent for this specifically was to make this a birthday calendar. I always love like celebrating people's birthdays, or like even if it's just singing happy birthday, saying happy birthday, whatever. So I do plan on asking if for my students' birthdays, and if they're comfortable with it being acknowledged in the class. And I'll just record them and probably hang this somewhere, keep it on my desk, not exactly sure. Then I just got 2 folders because I know I'm gonna have papers for each class. It's just bound to happen. So just something on this, but whatever. Something so I can store stuff. Hand sanitizer for my desk. Then I got 2 of these mini caddies. They just have 3 little compartments. I picture this being either teacher student resource bins. We'll see. And then I got 4 of these paper bins, which I'm really excited about. So in my head, what I'm thinking is each of these would be a different kind of paper. In my classroom, I like to have just blank paper and then maybe notebook paper, dot paper, graph papers. What I was thinking for these, and of course things will probably change along the way, but that's my thought for now. Then I just got these 3 bins. They come in these colors. They're a set of 3 for more organization on the desk. And then I got a hole punch because I'm sure kids will have binders. I need that. So it was nothing crazy, and like I said, I still don't exactly know what I want or what I need, but I'm just gonna start with very basic things to make kind of resource areas and organize the desk space a little bit, and then kind of go from there, especially because I don't have my own room. I don't want to go like super crazy, and I also don't really have the budget to go super crazy, so I'm just starting just with basics and then slowly building, I'm sure, as time goes on with the class. This is really annoying me. So I got this desk lamp thing and I thought that it was portable, but it literally only works if it's plugged in. What was the point of that? No wonder it was $10. So yeah, now I don't know why I have that, and I'll probably return it, but I'm really bad at returning things, so see. Also, sorry, my apartment is really messy at the moment, but I need to stop spinning. I'm gonna make you guys car sick. Motion sick, not car sick. I am going to straighten up before the end of the day because I don't want to go into the work week, my first work week, with my apartment looking like this. So anyway, I have a couple more things on my teacher to-do list before the day is over. It's like 4:30, maybe almost 5. Oh yeah, it's 5 o'clock. So I don't really want to do too much, but there's just a couple of little things I want to get done. So I will be sure to include those, and then that will basically be a wrap for the first day of just preparing.